Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my second video. So today is going to be this nail stamping kit. All right, I don't know if you guys ever seen this or wanted to. We got this from Walmart as well. Hopefully it focused. It was $10, $9.99. So Pueen, I read great reviews about it. I have ordered like a cheap set from Amazon before, so let's try this one out. This, if you've seen the first video, these are the press-on nails that I'm going to be attempting to do it. It does have a finished top coat, so I'm thinking I might have to buff it or something to keep it on. So let's see, we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna open this up. Again, this is the nail stamp fun kit. Comes with 12 designs. Let's see what it's all about. I'm gonna start here. This was the only option for designs, so it wasn't like, whoa. All right, so here's a little plate. I did watch a bunch of videos to kind of see how it would work and some tips, so hopefully we get some good results here. Here's the scraping card that it comes with. Pueen scraping card. Stamping tool with a little cap here. Oh, it's very jelly. Okay. That there, and then black and white. I am going to just go with the black because, I mean, I don't think that the white is going to really show too nicely on here. Who knows? I'm going to try this instead. All right. So I'm going to go with the black here. Now, let's remove this little protective film. I am going to go with, they're really pretty. So I'm gonna see if you guys can see here. I think the glare is kind of bad, but let's see, focus. All right, so I think I'm gonna go with the rose just because it looks really pretty. There's some flowers over here, some big leaves, jungle leaves, another flower, some cool design stars, strawberries. Oh, little unicorn, a whole unicorn there. A butterfly, some hearts and bows. Very pretty. This one kind of has a smaller rose. I might even do that one. Well, let's see. I don't even know how it's gonna kind of come out. So I'm going to try this one. All right, some tips that I read. Roll this out. So rolling a little, because it's been sitting there for who knows how long. That seems to help. I'm kind of nervous of getting this dirty, so I am going to lay out this little paper towel over here, and hopefully it is enough not to make this dirty. I'm just gonna go like that. Okay, and keeping another paper towel here. Oh, another tip. This I got from the Dollar Tree. It's a little pump. That's all it is. So a little pump, kind of like at the nail salon. You see them squirt, and it's like, oh my god, it's so cute. $1. All I did was put the acetone. I got this from Sally's. Just ordered it online. So pure acetone. And it poured it in here, so for easy cleanup, much easier than trying to put everything or use that giant bottle there. Okay, so I keep this, I am going to keep this here on the side with a little cotton swab. So the only thing, again, like I said, it does have a super high gloss finish. I'm nervous to kind of buff it, but I think I need to. Maybe not, let's see. So I am going to put some here. The tip, supposedly, you put it on where you want, you scrape it really quick, stamp and go. One of the tips I got was, if it doesn't stick, you wipe this with the alcohol. It kind of like resets the top. I'm assuming it's brand new, so it should work. I am going to try that. All right. So let's go with this. Here, I'm just gonna put it kind of where I want it. Let's go here. And they said don't be cheap with it. So let's not be cheap with it. You know, just dab it like so. And then scrape it at an angle. I'm gonna go on my righty. Let's go like that. Okay, so it's on. And you kinda gotta move quick. Oh, look at that. So pretty. All right, and then you kind of place it exactly where you want it. I am going to go like this. I don't know if I want to cover the whole nail. Okay, I think I do. So from angle, and I think that's it. Oh, wow. Oh, I missed that whole thing, huh? Look at that. I'll do it another finger. Here, I'm trying to give it some time to focus here. All right, I was out of focus. Sorry about that, guys. But I think it came out really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna do it again. I have to remove this. Oh, another tip was tape, which I forgot. So instead of trying to clean it off, just put it on tape. So I'm gonna go grab that. Pause. All right, guys, I'm back with tape. Just good old Scotch packing tape. Okay. Nobody actually uses that cutter. You just kind of bite it with your tape. So sticky side, I'm going to put that there. And then it's like clean it. You just kind of put it right on there. It's like magic. So I'm going to do it again since I was completely out of focus. But look how it came out really, really pretty. Look at that. I kind of missed this edge over here. So I'm debating if I want to redo it or not. But I don't think so. I think it looks good like that. I think I'm also, oh, another tip, you just use tape and you should be able to lift it, which it did. So you could take the tape and just kind of put it on any excess stamp that you got on your finger. Like that. Much better than having to kind of smear around the color if you're using nail polish remover. I don't know how I'm going to seal it. I think I'm just gonna use a top coat, just a regular clear top coat, and hope for the best. Wow, that came out really nice. I do like it. Okay. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I'm going to try to do that again. I think on another one. So you're supposed to clean this out once you're done with just, you know, a wipe or whatever. So it's kind of like a nice fresh start each time. Just take some acetone. Look at that, right up. It's not as shiny anymore, but that's okay. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right, so round two, I'm gonna do the same thing. I am going to dab a bunch here. Again, don't be cheap with it. Do a quick scrape like so. Oh, left over here. And then, bam, picked right up. See that? I'm gonna try to make sure I get that in the camera. All right, awesome. And I'm going to put it on this side. And I'm gonna go just like this. Hopefully I don't miss anything this time. Wow. I don't know if you can see that. I got my whole fingernail. This thing is awesome. 10 bucks. Shoot, I can't draw that. Look at that. Okay, come on, focus. Come on, camera. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. Maybe this way would be a little bit better. Look at that, the rose petals. So, to clean it again, tape, and then to get like the excess. I know they sell those peel-off tape things for nails. I don't really know what it's made of, like latex or something. But, look at it, you can just tape your actual nail. And it, well, the other one came out quick. Here we go. Look at that. Whoa. All right. Okay. Kind of looks like zebra stripes / roses. So, I really like this. I don't know if I should do it on like this nail too, or just kind of leave it at that. You know what? I'm going to do it on my fingers, my pointy fingers. What do you guys think? Too much, huh? Too much? I might just leave it like this. It's kind of like a little statement piece for your fingernails. Ah. All right, I'm going to, I want to play around with it. It's kind of like I just want to stamp all the fingers and see how they come out. This was very easy to do. I really, really like this for 10 bucks. And again, Walmart self-checkout. Just kidding, guys. They have a receipt checker person, so don't try it, okay? I do not condone lifting of any sort. Shoplifting, of course. $10. That's way less than what you would spend at the salon, even on the tipping. All right, so it cleans very well with just acetone. They came out really nice. Look at that. Okay, so I think that's it. I can't wait to, oh, you know what? I do want to try. I might be overkilling it, but if we stamped white on top of this, will that be too much? I don't want to mess it up. It's called like double stamping. All right, I'm doing too much. All right, guys, that was just a quick little review on the stamping kit. Again, this is the Pueen from Walmart. I'm pretty sure it's available online at Amazon as well. But it worked really well. I really enjoyed it. Okay, so here's the final. And again, if you guys want to see how I did this nail, it's in the video before. These are the first time I've ever done press on nails. $5, you guys. $5 for these. Walmart, come on. Walmart. Even if they last a week, they were $5.